Welcome back everyone. This video is a useful video for Excel users or if you are doing a job in Excel. So this video will help you a lot. So in this video we will explain how to transfer data automatically from master sheet to other sheet. I mean, like for example you are entering the data of employees. You are working in a company. You are entering the data of employees in a sheet. So there are different categories, I mean departments. So you want to categorize data based on this department or based on product or based on whatever you want, based on country, state, district. So you can categorize this data and separate this data to other sheets automatically. So everything will be done automatically. So for the demo, let's show you. For example, we have this data. Look at, we have these records of data. We have departments. So look at the departments. We have HR, IT, and mail. I want to have separate sheets for all these departments. So those employees who are in HR, they will have a separate sheet. Those who are in IT, separate sheet, and mail, separate sheet. We will have you can also do it for products, per districts, per provinces, per states, per countries, whatever you want. So you can do this automatically. So how to do this? Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I will rename this first sheet, this my data. Okay, this is my data that I have. Okay, so let's rename our sheet. I will name it like data, simply data. Now we will take copies of this data sheet. Okay, so right click on this and come here and find the duplicate, move or copy. So let's press this and we will take copy from this. Create a copy, move. Press that. Okay, so look at, we have a copy of this. So right click and we will rename now. To rename it, so we will place a name like of the department. Okay, this is case sensitive, keep in mind. For example, the first one is HR. Now let's take a copy of this, rename it to mail. Rename this to IT. That's it. Now let's drag the data one to the left side. So after moving this, come here to the IT. I will remove all these records. Delete. Come here to the mail and delete these records, and to the HR, delete these records. After deleting this in HR, I will just rename this by HR. Simply like that. In mail, come here and place this mail. IT, change this to IT. So that's it. Now come here to the data. This is our main master sheet. Come here to the IT first of all. After coming to the IT, so here at the first cell, we will write a formula, a function equal to filter. So we will use the filter. After a filter, so here the first argument is array. So we will select array. So to select array, for that let's move to the data to the master sheet, and here we will select these columns from A to F. Okay, we will select all these columns. Look at, we have selected the whole data. Look at until the end. Not to select simple specifically this range. No, from A to N, select the whole records. So after selecting that, now we will press comma. After pressing comma, the second one is include. So the include mean in which column these should be included. Like here we want to categorize based on department. So we will select department. So simply, so I need to remove this all employees data. Yeah, so I have deleted that. Come here back to the IT, have removed light equal to filter. Open that and come here to the data, and in the data we will select all these columns like this. Okay, from A to E. All these column. After selecting this comma, the second one is on based on what you would like to categorize based on department. So select the department. So here I will write now to the right side of this D equal to. So equal to with which data? Okay, come here to the IT and here I will select this cell. Look at the IT, this cell. This should be case sensitive to those departments values. So after selecting this, close it and press enter. So look at we have automatically the data of all those which are in IT category. We have these four data. If you add another copy, for example, let's add E12, add a date, and add that was IT. Yes, so add the department IT, make it 20,000 like this. So now let's move and we will have this John record inside our IT. So look at this record has been automatically added. Now come here to the meal and we will do the same for meal also. Equal to filter, open this. After opening, come here to the master sheet and select all these columns. So after selecting that, click here and press comma, then we will select this department. After that, we will write equal to, then come here back to the meal and select meal and close parenthesis and press enter. So now we will directly have the data of meal. Come here, same to the HR, equal to filter, open that, data, select these all columns, comma, select department, equal to with HR, select here the HR value, close that and press enter. So look at we have the data of the HR. So it was all about how to transfer data. If you are adding a new record, so it will be automatically added and moved to there. Mahmoud 44 2022, and this is for example like HR1 and the salary is 10,000. That's it. Okay, so Mahmoud should be added to the HR. Come here. So look at we have the Mahmoud HR 10,000 salary. So it was how to do it. Sometimes you might face with an error or like the data like this. Okay, you can just manage and adjust the data. And if you're faced with that, sometimes it need to press F9 button to refresh the page. So this was all about how to transfer data to different sheets based on category, state, province, whatever you like. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment down and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.